Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great today. Well, you guys, for today's video, it is going to be something different. That's why I am sitting on the floor with a little tiny desk that I invented. And yeah, today I am going to be doing my makeup, but it is not going to be on regular terms. It is going to be on someone else's terms. Just hold on a minute. Husky, come. Okay, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy, Husky? Are you a good boy, Husky? You're up, sit. Okay, all right, guys. Okay, he wants the bottle. It is going to be on my 100-pound blue Pitbull's terms. Now, he just wants the bottle. But what's gonna happen, you guys, is that my right arm, which is the arm that I use to do my makeup, is going to be tied on Husky. So I am going to challenge myself to do my makeup while being tied on my 100-pound blue Pitbull. So guys, I'm going to quickly have him tied up on my arm, and I will be right back. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so now Husky and I are tied up. As you can see, he doesn't like the idea too much, but he's comfortable. He's just a little tied up there and tied up to me. But remember, I'm not gonna be doing the strength and the force or anything here. He's gonna be doing the movement. So if he moves, well, unfortunately, my hand moves. So he's trying to grab my makeup now, but he's gonna be a good boy. Are you a good boy, Husky? You're a good boy. You sit. Okay, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, guys. So I am going to start off with foundation. Sorry, I got confused. I'm going to start off with primer. For primer, I am going to be using my Tasha Canvas Silk Primer. And I'm going to be applying, so I think he wants to eat the primer all over my face. Hopefully this is pretty easy. I mean, these are the easy parts. So I imagine when I get to the eyebrows and the eyeshadows and the eyeliner, those are probably going to be, the harder parts. So I already applied my primer, and now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my foundation. And for foundation, I am going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Full Coverage Foundation. Do you like this foundation, Husky? Is it a good foundation? Let me grab some on my sponge and just start applying it. I got hairs all over. Oh no, now he's on there. Oh my god, my foundation just got ruined. Okay guys, so Husky is lying down, and I can't straighten my arm because he's just really not letting me. So, oh my gosh, let me just try to apply my foundation as best as I can. Down here. So it is now time for concealer. And I am going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in white. Come on, Steve. No, please don't. Okay, guys, let's see if I can finish off. Oh my goodness, this has been a task. So hard, guys. Okay, so I guess he just wants to ruin. Come on, Husky. You're a good boy. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Okay, you guys. This is awful. Oh, my eyelashes leave them alone. Oh, Husky, come, Husky. Come, beautiful. Oh no, you guys. Oh, no. He's just not liking it. I mean, this is, oh my goodness. Oh, no. I can't. To set everything off, I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty setting powder in butter. So now before this starts to crease, Let's see if he allows me to apply my setting powder. Let's set the under eyes first. I'm setting the under eye. I can't see squat. Okay, guys, he's a little still there. He's dying to get up and move around. So let me just hurry up. Okay guys, so it's now time for brows. For brows. Time for brows, Husky. Are you gonna let me do my brows? Are you gonna be a good boy? Are you gonna be a good boy? Okay. I'm going to use this for my eyebrows. So I need you to stay there and be a good boy. You're gonna be a mama's boy, okay? Come. Come, you're a mama's boy. So I can't move my arm too much because he is like lying down and he went all the way to the front. Let me see if I call him and he'll listen. Come, Husky. All right, so I don't know if this is gonna work out somehow. I am going to go ahead and grab the pomade from Rimmel and I am going to try to do my brows. Oh no, I don't think this is gonna go accordingly. Okay. Okay, you're a good boy. Mama needs to get her brows done. He took over the whole thing, you guys. It's like, I don't even know what I'm gonna do now. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills E-Bony. And I guess he's liking my little table that I invented. So let's leave him there. This is a little easy to do. Oh, my makeup. Probably gonna need someone to add me on their PR list after this one, you guys. I mean, oh no. Oh no, no. Oh dear Lord. His butt is all over my makeup now. Oh. Oh, come be a good boy. Oh, you just messed up. Disgusting. Oh. So thanks to Husky, I just ruined my eyebrow. So I don't know if I could fix that later on, but there you guys have it. Never tie your arm to your Pitbull while doing your makeup. Now I am going to go ahead and prime my eyelid and go ahead and apply some eyeshadow. I'm going to do a very simple, natural eye. I'm not gonna go crazy with the colors, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my eye using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I am so uncomfortable right about now, but let's see how this turns out. I know Jaclyn Hill loves dogs and she's all about her lovely, beautiful dogs. They're like her kids, just like Husky is like one of my kids. So I am going to go ahead and use Jaclyn Hill's palette for this. And I'm going to do something very neutral and very simple. And I am going to go ahead and grab Silk Cream and apply it towards my crease. This is blending 101. This is a good way to blend your eyeshadow on your crease using windshield motions. I'm going to go ahead and grab Roxanne towards my crease, just blending it out. This is a task. Now grabbing Faint from Jaclyn Hill's palette. I'm going to go ahead and spritz it and apply that on the lid. So now I am going to go ahead and try and wing it out. I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner to try and create the eyeliner. This is going to be the hard part. I think I already messed it up. I mean, that's the best I could get. Time for mascara. So I am going to go ahead and apply the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Hopefully this turns out well. Alright guys, so now it is time to bronze up the face. I'm going to go ahead and just grab my Morphe Y9 and add my Hoola bronzer just to bronze. Now time for blush, and I'm just going to be using my usual. It is the Tarte Blissful Blush. So I am going to be using the Kiss eyelashes in the style Gala. Oh, I need to stretch out my legs because I can't feel my legs. Girl can't feel her legs. Let's say I'm going to do the left eye. I apply it with the left hand, so that's just normal. But the right eye, I'm going to do it with the right arm. So now I guess it's time for highlighter, you guys, and I'm almost done. Oh, he's tired already. He's like, hurry up, I am not about to be here all day for you, you know, waiting on you. I'm going to go ahead and highlight using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And I am going to go ahead and grab Moonstone. So let's just pray for the best. Trying to grab it like with the point of my fingers, literally with the point of my fingers, and just try my best. And last but not least, lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and grab my Bare Minerals Notorious lipstick. Mama's gotta apply lipstick. Good boy, Husky. And finally, I am going to set the whole thing off using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Oh no, you guys. He does not like any type of spray. So this is the final result. Although my hair is a mess, although Husky moved, you can see that my eyebrow right here is a hot mess, and my highlighter looks pretty hot. I mean, can't lie. Come Husky, let's show everyone you've been a good boy. He's been such a good boy. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? He's been a very, very, very good and helpful boy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial with Husky and I. And of course, we would love to remind you always that your inner beauty is what truly reflects your outer beauty. I love you guys so much. Till the next video, you guys. Bye.